Good morning, classmates. The article I have chose is the implementation of the 5E model stages to build the student's vocabulary by Muhammad Rochman. This article is about Balikpapan Foreign Language Academy. Foreign Language Academy is a small private institution under a huge foundation with many responsibilities. The Learning Academy had no appropriate space for the learning process. There is a small number of students, and in general, there were many aspects that limit the learning of a second language. After reading this qualitative article, I noticed that it is an inductive methodology. Qualitative research is intended to capture social reality through the people being studied. Teaching method consists of 5 stages: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Lecturer makes a global approximation of social situations to explore, describe, and understand them inductively. That is to say, based on the knowledge that the different people involved have, and not deductively, based on hypotheses formulated in the external researcher. I also noticed that part of qualitative methodology determines that knowledge is based on the analysis of real events, as explained by the method action research, which centers on action as a basis for improvement of practice and increasing understanding about practice in a collaborative group. Through quantifying and measuring a sequence of repetitions, formulates the trends, raises new hypotheses, and builds theories principally through quantitative knowledge. The objectives of this investigation are oriented to the understanding the variables allow the description of the process and social facts. Inductively passes from the observed data to identify the limits of behavior that are accepted by individuals. Proceed through the path of analytical induction based on the observation of reality, obtaining the necessary knowledge to develop theoretical bodies that capture the interpretative schemes of the study groups. As a conclusion, I can say that the article has a good qualitative research process, since it clearly reveals the problem the Academy has in teaching a second language. An appropriate fieldwork is also carried out for the collection of data and identifies cultural patterns.